Life can feel like a constant chase for more. We often find ourselves yearning for things we don't have, always looking ahead to the next big thing. It's as if we're on a never-ending treadmill, running towards an elusive finish line that keeps moving further away. We need bigger houses, better jobs, and new clothes for the kids. The list of our desires seems endless. We tell ourselves that once we achieve these things, we'll finally be happy. But the truth is, the more we get, the more we want. It's a cycle that never seems to end. Our minds race with all the things we lack. We compare ourselves to others, feeling inadequate when we don't measure up. Social media only amplifies this feeling, as we see the highlight reels of other people's lives and wonder why ours doesn't look the same. We worry about bills and dream of a brighter future. The weight of financial stress can be overwhelming, making it hard to appreciate the present moment. We think that if we just had a little more money, all our problems would be solved. But often, even when we do get more, new challenges arise. But always focusing on what we need can trap us. It creates a mindset of scarcity, where we're constantly aware of what we don't have. This mindset can be incredibly limiting, preventing us from seeing the abundance that already exists in our lives. It's easy to get caught in this cycle of wanting. We become so fixated on our desires that we forget to appreciate what we already have. This constant yearning can lead to feelings of dissatisfaction and unhappiness. We think about what we don't have and feel bad. This negative focus can affect our mood, our relationships, and our overall well-being. It can make us feel like we're not enough, that our lives are lacking in some fundamental way. We work harder, hoping to earn enough to finally feel content. We push ourselves to the limit, believing that success and happiness are just around the corner. But often, this relentless pursuit leaves us feeling exhausted and unfulfilled. But true abundance isn't just about material possessions. It's about feeling abundant in every area of life. It's about recognizing the richness of our experiences, the love in our relationships, and the beauty of the world around us. It's about feeling abundant in every area of life. When we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, we begin to see the world in a different light. We start to appreciate the small moments of joy and the simple pleasures that make life meaningful. The problem is, focusing on lack attracts more lack. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. When we dwell on our shortcomings, we create more of them. Our thoughts and feelings have a powerful impact on our reality. It's like a magnet, pulling in more of what we don't want. This negative energy can permeate every aspect of our lives, making it difficult to break free from the cycle of scarcity and dissatisfaction. Instead of enjoying what we have, we're consumed by what's missing. This constant focus on lack can rob us of the joy and contentment that come from appreciating the present moment. This keeps us stuck in a cycle of negativity and struggle. We become trapped in a mindset that prevents us from experiencing true happiness and fulfillment. But there's a different way to live. We can choose to shift our focus from scarcity to abundance. We can train our minds to see the good in our lives and to appreciate the blessings we already have. A way to experience true abundance, joy, and peace. It starts with gratitude. By cultivating a sense of gratitude, we can transform our perspective and open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. It starts with understanding the power of our thoughts and feelings. Our thoughts shape our reality, and by choosing to focus on the positive, we can create a life filled with abundance and joy. It's a journey that requires mindfulness and intention, but the rewards are immeasurable. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself lost in thought, staring up at the vast expanse of the night sky, pondering the mysteries of the universe? When you focus on what you lack, how do you feel? Do you feel a sense of emptiness, as if the starless sky mirrors the void within you? Probably stressed, worried, or maybe even a little bit sad. These emotions can weigh heavily on your heart, making it difficult to see the beauty that still exists around you. These negative feelings send a powerful message to the universe. It's as if you're broadcasting a signal of lack and scarcity, and the universe, in its infinite wisdom, picks up on this signal. The universe responds to your energy. It doesn't judge whether your thoughts are good or bad. It simply aligns with the frequency you're emitting. It doesn't judge whether your thoughts are good or bad. It simply reflects back what you put out. This is the law of attraction in action. It simply reflects back what you put out. So, when you focus on lack, you attract more lack. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy that can trap you in a cycle of negativity. So when you focus on lack, you attract more lack. This creates a cycle that can be hard to break. It's like being caught in a whirlpool, where the more you struggle, the deeper you sink. This creates a cycle that can be hard to break. You want to escape, but the more you focus on what you don't have, the more you seem to attract those very circumstances. You want a bigger house, but you can't afford it. This desire, coupled with the frustration of not being able to achieve it, only amplifies your sense of lack. This makes you feel discouraged. And because you feel discouraged, you attract more experiences that make you feel that way. It's a vicious cycle that feeds on itself. Because you feel discouraged, you attract more experiences that make you feel that way. Each negative thought and emotion acts like a magnet, drawing in more of the same. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if you could shift your focus and change the energy you emit? What if you could attract abundance instead of lack? Imagine the possibilities if you could align your thoughts and emotions with the energy of abundance. The universe would respond in kind, reflecting back the prosperity and opportunities you seek. It all starts with a shift in perspective. By focusing on what you have rather than what you lack, you can begin to change the energy you project. Gratitude is a powerful tool in this process. Start by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down a few things you're grateful for. This simple practice can help you shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. Meditation is another powerful tool. By quieting your mind and connecting with the present moment, you can release negative thoughts and emotions, making space for positive energy to flow in. Visualization can also help. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your ideal life. See it, feel it, and believe it. The more vividly you can picture your dreams, the more likely they are to manifest. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Take small steps each day towards your goals and trust that the universe is working in your favor. By shifting your focus from lack to abundance, you can break free from the cycle of negativity and start attracting the life you desire. The universe is ready to respond to your new energy. Are you ready to make the change? Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher, offered a powerful solution to the age-old question of how to manifest our desires and create the life we truly want. His teachings have inspired countless individuals to rethink the way they approach their goals and dreams. He taught that our thoughts create our reality. This concept, though simple, holds profound implications for how we live our lives. By understanding the power of our thoughts, we can begin to take control of our destiny. According to Goddard, we don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. This means that our inner state, our feelings, and our beliefs are the true magnets that draw experiences into our lives. This means our feelings and beliefs are key. If we harbor feelings of lack or doubt, we will continue to experience scarcity and uncertainty. Conversely, if we cultivate feelings of abundance and confidence, we will attract prosperity and success. If we want to experience abundance, we need to feel abundant now, even if our circumstances haven't changed yet. This requires a shift in our mindset and a commitment to nurturing positive emotions and beliefs. We need to shift our internal state to match the reality we desire. This involves visualizing our goals as already achieved and feeling the emotions associated with that success. By doing so, we align ourselves with the frequency of our desired outcomes. Goddard wasn't suggesting we pretend to be rich while struggling to pay rent. Instead, he was emphasizing the power of our imagination and belief. By imagining ourselves in a state of abundance, we begin to change our energy and attract opportunities that align with that vision. He was emphasizing the power of our imagination and belief. Our imagination is a powerful tool that can shape our reality. When we use it to create vivid, positive images of our desired future, we set the stage for those dreams to become a reality. We need to live as if our desires are already ours, experiencing the joy and gratitude that comes with having them. This means embracing a mindset of abundance and acting in ways that reflect our belief in our own success. By consistently practicing these principles, we can transform our lives and manifest our deepest desires. Neville Goddard's teachings remind us that we hold the power to create our reality through the thoughts we think and the beliefs we hold. So, take a moment to reflect on your current thoughts and beliefs. Are they aligned with the life you want to create? If not, it's time to make a change. Embrace the power of your mind and start living the life of your dreams today. Remember, the universe is always responding to your inner state. By cultivating positive thoughts and beliefs, you can attract the experiences and opportunities that will lead you to your desired future. The power to create your reality is within you. So how do we do this? How do we live as if we already have what we want? It starts with our imagination. Close your eyes and imagine having that bigger house. See yourself walking through the spacious rooms, laughing with your family in the bright kitchen. Feel the joy and contentment of having enough space for everyone. Now imagine having that dream job. Feel the excitement of going to work each day, knowing you're using your talents and making a difference. Picture yourself receiving a generous paycheck, feeling financially secure and abundant. The key is to make these visualizations feel real. Don't just see the images in your mind, feel the emotions that come with them. Feel the gratitude, the joy, the peace. The more real you make these feelings, the more you'll attract experiences that match them. Remember, the universe responds to your energy. When you feel abundant, you become a magnet for abundance. This might feel strange at first, especially if your current circumstances are challenging. But the more you practice, the easier it becomes. You're essentially retraining your mind to focus on what you want, not what you lack. One of the most powerful ways to shift your energy is through gratitude. When you're grateful for what you have, you're acknowledging the good in your life. This sends a positive signal to the universe, attracting more things to be grateful for. Start by being thankful for the simple things: a sunny day, a warm meal, a loving family. As you focus on these blessings, you'll naturally start to feel more abundant. Make gratitude a daily practice. Keep a gratitude journal, write thank you notes, or simply take a few moments each day to appreciate the good in your life.